Welcome back. This is a cool little model I found on eBay, a 40mm Bofers anti-aircraft gun, a gun made in Sweden and almost, I think, used by everybody. The kit is primarily resin with metal parts and photo etch. Comes with this nice little box and glue, actually. The instructions are just pictures with Chinese writing. Wasn't a very difficult kit to make. I did it over the Christmas holidays. These are the 40mm shells. It took me a few days because I was doing Christmas stuff. Here you can see the base and the photo etch and the main gun with the steel barrel. Here I've added the foot pedals, which I presume move the carriage around in circles. The lack of detail was disappointing. For example, the kit did not come with the really cool gun sights that would have looked nice on it. The hand cranks were copper and brass, and the photo etch shield was fun to bend up and glue onto the mount. Here's the gun almost complete. I've 3D printed a base for it, because it didn't come with one. The barrel itself is rather heavy, so I had to add some weight under the back of the gun to keep it from falling over. Here you can see the weights that I added. They're actually magnets glued to the base. I painted it in Kriegsmarine gray. I thought it would be a good companion piece to my Revell 172 U-boat Type C 41. I don't have too much to say about the kit. It was rather simple, lacking a lot of detail. I'm sure somebody with more experience than I have could do a lot more with it. But, you know, like I say, it's a companion piece to my 172 Revell U-boat, as the Bofers on the U-boat is rather small.